Let's create now a new document. We've seen this in the previous video about how to configure Scribus and tweak its preferences, but now let's dive into it more deeply. So let's go to Files and New. All right, now you get this pop-up menu here, this pop-up window, as we've seen previously. In this case, it's already well configured because we have our layout, that is the presets of our layout, which is okay. The bleeds are okay. The default unit is okay, and we see here that we have two options. We can choose whether to create a single page or a facing pages document. You can, for instance, let's go for facing documents, which is the more complex document to create. In this case, you can choose the number of pages you want to have. You can choose the first page if it's the page on the right page, or if it's a left page. This can be used for certain documents, and in this case, let's leave it to the right page. You can also change the format. So in this case, I have a A4 format. This can be good for brochures, and portraits great as well. So yeah, so now let's go and create, and voila. So we have this document here, and as you can see, the pages that we have created for a 4 pages document. All the pages are shown on as they would be printed. So here we have the first page, which is the right page of our document, Then we have the inside of the brochure, and then the last page. This is the cover, and this is the last page. This is very simple, and you can navigate from one page to another using this menu here in the background. But there are also many other options that you can use to create a new document. There are also templates. So let's go for create here in File and New from Template. Here we have a great many templates which are available, and that you can change. You can choose and change for your the purpose of your work. So let's say that you want to print a brochure. You have here a few brochure examples. So let's go for this one, yeah. And here you have a template that is already defined. And let's insert a new page at the bottom. And here we have a new one that is blank, and we can use this configuration to create the new page. Pretty simple. You can also create new documents like a book, maybe. Maybe you'd be interested in creating a book like this. So let's go quickly. Sorry, in this configuration. The basic configuration of a book is 6 by 9 inches. That's the proper definition of a book on the market, and we can also have a few fonts here. I don't have all the fonts installed, and here you can see that the book has been created like this, and so we have a few pages with some fake content in it, and all the margins and everything here has been set up so that you don't have to do it yourself. This is pretty simple. Let's create now new file from templates. By the way, it's here. You can create business cards, for instance, like this one. Okay, so this is just a model, but what's interesting in this situation is that you can change everything here. You can also adapt things you have created with GIMP and Inkscape and put them here. And yeah, that's how it works. And one thing that is very interesting for you is to press the F2 key, and here you can have this menu here, this toolbar that will help you change everything on this document like this. Okay, I can change. We will see how it works. And yeah, that's it for now. This is pretty straightforward, and yeah, you can also export files as PDFs. You can also print them, and everything is fine here.